Hello, good morning friends. Today's thought is here, biology is the science and evolution is the concept that make the biology unique. Okay, so today's thought is, after the thought, today's topic is here, menstrual cycle. Okay, topic is the menstrual cycle. So menstrual cycle is the cyclic event. Okay, it is a cyclic event which occur in female. It is a cyclic event. Cyclic event which is occur in female. Occur in female. In which blood is released through the vagina with some cells of endometrium wall of uterus. Okay, so it is the event in which bleeding is occur, or this bleeding is comes out through the vagina with some cells of the endometrium wall. Okay, the period in which bleeding is occur, the period in which bleeding is occur 4 to 5 days. This period, is called menstrual period. Okay, in female, this period is a smallest average period is about. Average timing of the menstrual cycle is average timing of menstrual cycle is about 28 days. Okay, minimum time of the menstrual cycle, minimum time is about 20 days, or maximum time is about 34 days. 34 days of the menstrual cycle. Okay. So this menstrual cycle start in the female during the puberty stage. So this menstrual cycle start in the female during the puberty is this menstrual cycle is start in female during puberty age. Puberty age means 12 to 14 years in the girls. So first menstrual cycle is called menarche. Okay, and the period in which menstrual cycle becomes stop. Next thing here, the period in which menstrual cycle become stop is called menopause. This is called the menopause. Okay, menopause. So now we discuss the mechanism of the menstrual cycle. Okay, so mechanism of the menstrual cycle complete in 3 phases. Mechanism of menstrual cycle complete in a 3 ways. First phase is called the bleeding phase, and second phase is called the follicular phase, and third phase is called the secreting phase. Okay, secreting phase. So first phase is called the bleeding phase, second phase is called the follicular phase, and third phase is called the secreting phase. Okay. Understand? So first phase is here, bleeding phase. In this bleeding phase, blood is released through the vagina. Okay, and second phase is the follicular phase. Okay, in follicular phase, size of the primordial follicles. We also explained to you primordial follicles. So primordial follicles grow due to the effect of the FSH hormone. This hormone is secreted from the anterior part of the pituitary gland. So this hormones, when puberty stages comes, then anterior part of the pituitary gland secrete this hormone. So this hormone increase the size of the primordial follicle from 6 to 14 days. At that time, this primordial follicle convert into mature Graafian follicle, and last 14th day, this mature Graafian follicle, last 14th day, and another hormone is released from the anterior part of the pituitary gland. This hormone is called the LH hormone or luteinizing hormone. This hormone help in the ovulation. Of 14th day ovulation is occur if menstrual cycle's time is 28 days. Okay, so that day temperature, the day which day ovulation is occur, that day temperature of the body become high. Or after the 14th day, when ovulation is occur, then after the ovulation, the remaining part of the Graafian follicle release an hormone. This hormone is called the progesterone hormone. Okay, progesterone hormone. After some days, this corpus luteum, remaining part of the mature Graafian follicle corpus luteum, this corpus luteum degenerate and again start menstrual cycle. Okay, thank you, students.